Hello, my name is Beatrice, and I am lead of the Water Working Group at Inogen Alliance. What better way to tell you a little bit more about the AWS Global Water Stewardship Forum, if not directly in Edinburgh, the city that has hosted us in these last few days?
So my expectation with the AWS forum is to share experience, heard about other experience in different sectors of activities, and share our difficulties and in order to be more confident in our actions.
I think the main local water challenges where I live, which is Austin, Texas, is that we're at an intersection of a very arid region and a very wet and humid region. And so the water management between those two regions and the water sharing and the transboundary compacts that we have with Mexico to the south put a very strong pressure on the local water resources.
I think that the most notable trend that we see in Latin America is on how agriculture uses water. For large multinationals, that's a big challenge because they're part of their supply chain.
Stakeholder engagement is a challenging path, especially when stakeholders have no clear idea about what water stewardship is. By increasing awareness and establishing a two communication flow will be fundamental in order to have an active role with stakeholders and increase in trust, connection and transparency with them.
We've also talked about setting targets, setting smart, measurable targets in order to measure continuously this progress that very often is hard to do for water and water-related aspects. So monitoring actions and making sure that these actions are not only short-term but long-term actions is the key to progress in the water sector and in the water stewardship thematic.
I think the role of consultancy becomes more prominent when we talk about AWS Impact Accelerator, where we are working with 30 or 40 sites together in a single catchment. And sometimes these are the suppliers, these are the small industries which do not have the resources and capacity to carry out all these work by themselves. And that's where the role of AWS accredited consultants becomes very important.
What does Inogen Alliance mean to me? Well, it means family, of course, but it means collaboration, it means trust, it means getting things done together, because that really is what we are. We are a network, we are a group of partners, we are an extended global family that wants to get things done in the best way possible for our clients all over the world.
The Inogen Alliance is a possibility to reach knowledge and people, to allow us to provide a broader services to our clients and keep them satisfied and happy with the good quality.
The best part of collaborating with Inogen Alliance is that it's a long-lasting journey. It was supporting PMI globally wide and providing technical and operational deliverables at global scale.
Next steps. Well, we have a lot of those to do together in a synergic and collaborative way, but based on all the global goals and objectives that we have set, we need to, of course, work on bridging the gap and finding local targets and local actions that can really get these global goals moving on a local scale.